Dali lang, video ko. This is what in the area. And I'm glad magmabilis lang.
May naging talaga. Taga,
Yeah.
Pero may sasakyan yung kliente nyo?
wala. Ay,
Wala.
Ha?
High class kami. Can you speak English?
Yes.
To discuss what
This one is the Modelia is 84 and the lot is depends on the smallest one is 150 square meter, but this time the available is 100 and this is the city map. Adidas cities. And the other one model is Maya.
So, how about the cost?
The closest Tia is 6.4 million this time.
6.4 million. So,
And the Tia is 5.
if cash, how much?
There is 9% discount.
9% discount.
The total selling price.
Installment in-house.
Installment, it depends on the year. The shortest term is 2 years.
2 years.
The reservation 20,000 divided 24 months.
So, we go inside. This is love inside. Ayala Land Development. All information Bulacan managed by a lot of developers. Ayan. Developer is a big company. Ayan. I'm going there. We're going there in house. I see it here in Bulacan for improvements managed by a lot of developer, and then sale the area. Ha? Na ni kuan. May nakadaon na nga na. Ano?
Maya BC. It's a 69 square meter.
69 square meter, look. This house. Ano tawag na? Single detached?
Opo.
Called by single detached. I just reach this side.
This is you can get a counter.
This is a floor area. How much the floor area?
69 square meter avenue. Then you have still the vacant lot beside for the car park. This is the top and the bathroom. Sa top and the top.
Ano yung sa bathroom?
And the bathroom you have still lot.
Ha?
It's a lanai bathroom.
You have a space in the back with a sliding door.
Yeah, with a sliding door. And this is the stairs going up. You can make these 3 windows. One for the kids, boy and girl. This is
How many bedrooms?
3. This is called BC because we don't have partition. And we use the other module, it's called standard. There is partition.
This is the area. If you want to make a bedroom, so maybe the beam is
It's a bit of a height.
the beam. Kasali pa ba yan doon?
Yes, there's a vacant lot at the back.
At ang liit lang ng bahay, pero malaki na special.
And you can use that area if you want to do extension back. Malaki sa 300 square meters. The other unit is...
Itong mga unit na to, mga bayad na yan.
Oh, ito model unit ko may-ari na to. Yan, lagi taon ng dry aircon siyo.
Ha?
Ayan yun, dress up.
May nakatira na dyan.
And this is Model T standard. Standard means there is a upstairs bathroom, up and down, 2 bathrooms. It is square meters.
This is model standard. This is inside. Malaki-laki to.
Opo, ito, 69 lang itong yung Maya. Kaya ito. This is the countertop, the sink, and this is the bathroom.
This is big.
Upon
The big area dada.
all of this you can take.
Anay. Ano yung kabila, Amaya?
Adidas is
Adidas.
Adidas is
This is bigger than the first one I got bigger.
And this is the upstairs. Sorry. This is standard na already partition. This is great. Bathrooms,
They have 3
This is
rooms.
the master's bedroom. The bedroom for the girls or the inside of the boy.
It has 3 big rooms. First one, second one.
And this, the second bathroom. Upstairs. Complete, the shower, everything. Pasok mo para makita mo yung shower.
This is inside the bottle concrete. Hot and cold.
And this is the master's bedroom. This is the master's bedroom.
This is bigger than the first one I put.
Now, standard. 88 square. Ay, bakit lahat, kuya? Kabila ay.
You have a big space outside.
Ay, sarap. Sabi ni kuya, pwede.
Hanggang dyan na rin yung ano niya. Mas malaki.
Mas malaki yung loto dito. So, may laman ako sa ito.
May naman na.
May nagamit na siya, complete na siya ng
Ayaw ko nga ito din, oh.
This place is most developed design school. This is a new build house. Lock.
Walang susi. Hindi. Meron na kasing laman yun, may gamit.
Pag may laman, mahirapan ka na pag walang ano.
Pag open house lang siya binubuksan. Ito yung
This is
tirahan
all
ng mga
commercial
mayaman.
area.
Commercial area yun. Next time, mamaya, pwede na natin lakarin paikot doon, no?
Hindi na, yan lang ang pinakuhaan.
Ayan lang.
Siyempre, yung ano lang.
School.
Ya? Hindi na.
Yun na.
Babangkit na lang doon ng school. Yung siyempre, yung...
May school siya, tapos mayroon siyang 100 beds hospital.
Ang laki ng bahay, tsaka yung ano, kung magkano ano. Yun na.
Bibigyan kita ng price nandun sa bahay kasi hindi pa natin.